Could Ethereum be ready for a huge move? Well, I'm looking at the daily chart right now, and it looks like it may very well be, and the move could be up. Let's take a look at the charts right now for Ethereum. I'm actually going to switch back to the weekly where I meant to start because we have this fantastic channel, rising channel that we have been watching since about the 1st of October. You can see the channel takes into consideration the lows of the week and the highs of the week, and we're looking for patterns in the market, and that's quite a visible pattern. But over the last few days, the week in particular, we have seen some weakness in the crypto market across the board. And so questions have been asked, is crypto going to fall in the short term? Of course, I'm talking about the short term. Long term, I believe crypto is going to be fantastic, and I'm invested in it myself. So I'm not talking about the long term in years here. I'm talking about short term in days or weeks. And like I said, we did see some falling in the crypto market, Bitcoin, Ethereum, just across the board. Now, I want to look at what's happening today. Today, right now, we're still kind of respecting this channel that we had drawn on the weekly. We're just looking at it on the daily now. See this bottom of the channel. And you can see that the price had fallen out over the last couple of days. And really, if you would have opened up your chart and seen this big, what would have been red bar down to about 2100, boy, you would have been frantic about the Ethereum price if you were long. But it's funny how quickly the markets change, and within just a few more hours, that price rebounded up, closed positive, and now we're working on this candle right here. So the question that I've got to ask and that we're looking at is, can the market get back into this rising channel? Now, this is one thing I have been seeing, and I've been seeing this across the board as well, is this kind of trend line that's pushing the price down. Okay, it's a reflection of the price falling. This is Ethereum again, but if I look at Bitcoin, see that it's got a similar channel. ADA is one of my favorite coins. It was in a falling channel, and so there's, like I said, we've seen weakness across the markets, the crypto market altogether the last week, really. And so I have a question: is where is the market going to go? See, we've got these couple of channels that are battling each other. We've got this rising channel. Now we've got this trend line that is the reflection of price falling. Which way is the market going to go? And it could just be that it's going to go up. Now, if Ethereum goes up, and I'm starting to see strength in the markets again, look at this VET. This VE chain is one of my favorite coins. This was in a falling channel, just like ADA was. Look what's happened to it. It's made swing highs. It's even broke its most recent December high. Could that be what Ethereum's going to do? Could that be what Bitcoin's going to do? VET is very powerful right now. Could it be a precursor to other coins going up? It could. It really could. If Ethereum decides to break this trend line and get back into that rising channel, that would be a humongous move and a big indicator that price may just consider going on up and challenging again the 2400. Now, you've always got to be careful. I can see just looking here, I'm going to pop a line right there. I see some highs right here, some highs right here. It's got to break this high of 2320. Not only does it have to meet it, it's got to break it before it can get higher. It's got to break the highs of these 2 days and the highs of these 2 days. Then it can challenge 2400. May not do that in a day or two, may not do it quickly. It may take a little time of moving up. But if it can get beyond this 2319, 2320, things are looking good for it to continue up. Again, break this trend line, get back into that wedge. Now, if things start to go south on us, I've got this, it's really a window right here. You can barely see it. I need to change the colors, but it takes into consideration the swing highs back in early April of 23. And if you even make it smaller, see if I can see that. It's not very good on this chart. Yep, there's the wicks right there. You could drag this on out and it would either even look at the swing lows, this low right here in January of 22, and then these candles right here in May and June of 2022. So this is a very powerful level is what I'm trying to get at. So if the market falls, and it did, it fell to here and immediately got rejected. Buyers picked that up, shot the price right back up. We really want to watch this area for Ethereum. If you're long on the short term, you don't want Ethereum falling below 2160, or excuse me, 2130 and falling down. You don't want it to fall below this area right here. It can obviously rebound in the long term, but I'm talking short term. So Ethereum is setting up for a move one way or the other, and it's looking with these wicks and with this channel, looks like it could swing on up. I'm already seeing some other coins doing it. Maybe Bitcoin will fall. Look, Bitcoin's broken out of its own trend line as well. Maybe Ethereum is next for the next move upward. We'll see. Stop by. I'll keep you updated. Y'all take care.